So this is the ETL process that Vong and I did after it has fully executed. So I'm actually going to execute this again um, because it takes a second. So I'm going to execute this now and then let that run. In the meantime, I'll show you what the import data, the extract and transform data looks like when it's finished. So there's about 76,000 rows, and this is from the extract table. So it looks a little bit ugly. And then when I did the transform on it, I moved things from uppercase to sentence case, and then changed date time to date, as well as cleaned up the column names from how it was imported. And then for load, again, 76,000 rows. Basically just grabbing the transform and putting it into a load table. The only issue being that date converted back to date time. So we can easily fix that with an update. So let's see where we're at with this one. All right, so this is already executed again. So Vong he truncated it. Then he imported his data, right, 38,000 rows, and then imported my data, 37,000 rows. That's where the 76 comes from. And then this is the truncate. Oh no, sorry, this is the control flow. So this is the truncate, or transform, sorry, excuse me. And I truncated the transform table and then executed a stored procedure. That stored procedure looks like this, inserted into the transform table. And then I found a function online that changed things from uppercase to camel case, or sentence case, and then casted things as date as where I could. Other than that, not much to do for transforming. And then Vong did the execute portion of it. So the load portion of it, excuse me. And so he executed his stored procedure, which looks like this. So he inserted into the load table basically everything from the transform table and made sure that no duplicates existed, which is pretty easy given that they had their own primary keys for their data set. So anyway, this whole thing is run. So then we can go back here and check this out. And so for our final one, right, we are going to check to see if any duplicates exist. They shouldn't, right? 76,000 rows. So that's it. That's our ETL process.